Hello friends, welcome to our website automationcommunity.com. Today we are going to see another real-time application of PLC HMI for glass products making machine. So we are going to understand the sequence of operation and its main components. So first of all, let us see what are the main components used in this machine. So as you can see over here, this is the spindle. This rotates our product. You can see it is rotating glass. After that, here is the burner. This burner is also controlled through PLC and HMI, its high low frames and etc. After that, here you can see this is one chain drive and its motor is below this assembly. So that motor is simple induction motor that is running through this chain drive, which is rotating this polishing. So it is making some polishing or shape giving work over here. After that, here you can see there is a servo motors. So this servo motor rotates this arm, and this arm is used over here for pressing or giving shape. After that, there will be another motor, servo motor below this assembly, which is used to move this assembly in this horizontal direction, or you can see the arrow given over here. We will understand the working of this machine. So as you can see over here, first of all, when we place our product, this spindle will start rotating at the desired speed given by user through HMI, and the burner also started. So it is heating and this is moving our glass object. So this is our first step. After that, observe this assembly. After that, what is happening? This assembly will move in forward, that is toward this glass, and this chain drive is operated, so this is rotated. Besides that, you can see this arm. This servo motor will run 90-degree forwards, so this arm will come down and press over here, and after that it will, for some time delay, it will remain as it is, and after that time delay, this servo motor will reverse 90-degree, and this whole assembly also goes in reverse direction. So let us observe this. So you can see first it is coming forward and this servo operated 90-degree forward. Now for some time delay it is remaining as it is. Now this servo reverses 90-degree and this assembly reverses. So in this way this process is completed, and after that the operator removes the final product. So this complete system is made using Wecon, PLC and HMI products. The reason of making such videos is to improve your logical thinking, so you can write ladder logic for real-time applications. Thank you for watching this. If you want to get more examples like this, show your interest by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video.